Hi there! So nice to welcome you back to our channel. Shall we get to work? We understand how eager you must be to get moving now that you've made the decision to start investing in crypto. You may be wondering how to make the right choice from the large array of cryptocurrencies. Well, we're here to help. So come on, let's get started. So, where do we begin? It may be interesting to know that there are currently more than 8,000 cryptocurrencies, so searching for the most lucrative crypto project is like looking for a needle in a haystack. If you do not conduct your research properly, you might end up investing your money in a coin that, in a year's time, may have dropped in value, or worse, no longer even exists. Especially if you wish to start with a relatively small investment, which is a very sensible approach, but still want to spread your chances of success, then your options are limited. There are companies, however, that have taken advantage of this gap in the market and offer a genuine solution. This is what I'd like to take a look at with you today. One of these companies, active in Europe, is Triaconta. Triaconta is a broker. A broker is a financial institution where investors can actively trade financial products themselves. You'll come across financial terms and abbreviations such as these more often. Our website includes a clear overview of these for you. So register today at www.futureandfinance.com, that's future, the letter N, finance.com, and start using our custom tools for free. Back to our broker for today, Triaconta. Triaconta started building its platform in 2017. What makes Triaconta unique is that they allow you to not only buy individual cryptocurrencies, but also invest in so-called bundles. A bundle, in this case, can perhaps best be described as a shopping basket of cryptocurrencies. For example, there is a top 3 bundle containing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. By investing in one of these bundles, you immediately spread your opportunities and limit your risk. If you'd like to create an account with Triaconta after watching this video, all you need to do is follow the link to their website in the description below. By using this link, you are automatically helping to maintain and support this channel, which we would greatly appreciate. At the moment, Triaconta offers 4 bundles: a top 30 bundle, a top 3, the DeFi bundle, and a penny stock bundle. Again, you may be hearing the term DeFi and think, what is that? Don't worry, we'll come back to that in one of our videos shortly. I have created an account especially for this channel, which I would like to show you. In the first month, I invested 500 euros in each bundle. Triaconta charged a commission of 2% the first time, so effectively 490 euros is invested in each bundle. We will regularly see how these bundles develop in our videos. You will see that the value of these bundles will not only increase. After all, the market is not going up in a straight line. Let's take a look at the bundles that Future and Finance has invested in for this channel. When I log into Triaconta, it shows me my dashboard, where I can see the total value of my account, or my portfolio. So we can see here that I've already seen a small increase in just a few weeks. But not all bundles have increased. As you can see, my DeFi bundle is negative, because the value of this bundle is lower than the deposit of 490 euros a few weeks ago. Nevertheless, we've seen an overall growth. I agree it's quite interesting to see how your investments are developing day by day. At Future and Finance, however, we prefer to look at the bigger picture. That's because the market often grows in the long term. An investment in the future means you believe in this growth. The team behind Future and Finance, for example, believes in the growth of the cryptocurrency market as a whole, which we'll certainly be exploring in a later video. If you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe today. Enough introduction for the moment. Now it's time to get to work. The rest of this video will focus on how to create an account with Triaconta and how you can make your first investment in a bundle or, just like me, in several of the bundles that Triaconta has to offer. Please be reminded once more never to invest money you cannot afford to lose, as investing involves risk. By using the link posted in the description of this video, you'll be taken to the homepage of the Triaconta website. On the homepage, you will find an explanation of Triaconta's work method, as well as an overview of the available bundles, including corresponding percentages of profit and loss over the past 3 months, the past month or week, and the past 24 hours. Scrolling down, you will find detailed benefits of each bundle and get an insight into the customer portal, as well as the aspects of balancing and revisioning. More on this later on. Have I mentioned that Triaconta is supervised by the Dutch Central Bank, giving it that little bit of extra confidence and credibility? Should you decide to use the services of Triaconta, just click Register at the top of the website to create an account. You'll now start the registration process, where you'll create a username, an email address, and a password. Be sure to create a strong password and secure your account. After all, it concerns your financial affairs. You'll probably be using this platform as a private individual, so just read the terms and conditions and make sure you indicate that you are not a robot. After clicking on Agree, you'll receive an email from Triaconta to confirm your email address. You may have to check your spam box, as your email program might mark this email as spam. Once you've confirmed your email address, you can proceed to the next step, your personal verification. Do this by logging into Triaconta with the email address you've entered and the corresponding password. As I mentioned before, Triaconta is supervised by the Dutch Central Bank. This obligates Triaconta to clearly indicate who their customers are. This is a common practice and nothing to worry about. It's better known as a KYC procedure, where KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Before you can make your first investment into a Triaconta bundle, you must first verify your identity on the website. Click on the Go to the Verification page. Verify your identity by completing this form using the data from your legally valid proof of identity, such as a passport or a driver's license. You'll also need to add a total of 3 photos. One of your proof of identity, one of yourself with your proof of identity, as you can see here in this image, and one of a document clearly showing your current address. I myself used a bill from my mobile phone provider. Finally, respond to the personal questions, where you indicate what you expect to invest each month and what your main reason is for creating the account with Triaconta. When you're satisfied with your answers, submit the verification requests from both your identity and address. Please note, there are 2 separate buttons for this. When you are satisfied with your answers, submit the verification requests for both your identity and address. Please note, there are 2 separate buttons for this. If you see your verification is being checked, you can leave the website for now. If this process takes longer than 48 hours, please contact the Triaconta help desk. The fastest and easiest way to reach them is by using the Telegram app. As soon as Triaconta has completed your verification, you will receive a confirmation message, and you can continue with your first purchase. To purchase a bundle, log into your Triaconta account. In the menu on the left, choose the option Buy and then New Bundle. Now choose the bundle you would like to invest in. If you want to invest in multiple bundles, which of course is possible, and an excellent way to spread your risk even further, then proceed with the following steps before purchasing each bundle. The next step is to determine how much money you want to invest in the chosen bundle and settle the payment. Please note, if you tick the checkbox, I pay with this account, at the bottom of the form, then make sure you actually make the payment from the relevant account. Trust me when I say that things are likely to go wrong otherwise. Arranging the payment through your bank account is the final step in this process. When the payment is accepted, you'll be redirected to the Triaconta confirmation page. The bundles have 2 options. They can either be balanced or revised. Don't worry, we'll have a closer look at this in a future video, so I can clearly explain what these options mean. The Future and Finance team will work with 4 people to find out how you can get the most out of your bundle, and we look forward to sharing these insights with you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel today so you don't miss a single video. For now, congratulations on your first investment in crypto. Until next time!